Happy Sabbath! Ayan, nandito po kami sa May Kawayan SDA Church at kami po ay natutuwa talaga na makabalik dito sa church na ito. It's been about 15 years na hindi nakabalik ng Friends for Life. And now we are here again. Kasama natin si Pastor Piquero. Pastor, nice to meet you. Elder Ben Baklig. Ayan, so kami po ay we're looking forward na makabalik ulit sometime in May, God willing po. So, papakita po natin the rest of the clip, yung mga kaganapan dito sa church. Tunghayan niyo po ang mga susunod. Happy Sabbath!
Let not your heart be troubled. These are the words I hear, and resting on His goodness, we lose all my doubts and fears. And by the path He leads, with just one step I may see God's eye is on the sparrow, and I know that He watches me.
Down, buong nationwide, or 3 months. It's very scary, di ba? Pero wow, ang dalawa po dito ay mabigyan tayo ng babala na tayo ay maging hayapa